Hello world, welcome to SciPro Math. My name is Roberto. This time I am going to illustrate how to solve quadratic cubic equations this time. So let's go right into the tutorial. Let me access the application. Cubic equations are located on screen number 11. I can either navigate to this position, to this screen by using the function keys, which is the second, the third, and the fifth function combined. But like I said in the past, you could also navigate directly by typing number 11 and typing, pressing the numbers, the blue and yellow and orange buttons at the top. Okay, so that'll give me access to the screen also. And I'm just gonna jump right into it. There is already a cubic equation there, which I can confirm. Number 1 is at the very beginning. The rest of the numbers are set to 0. I am gonna switch. I'm going to keep number 1 the same. The second position, I'm going to put a 1 also. The third position, I'm going to put number 5. And the fifth position, I'm going to put 36 negative. Okay, the fourth position, I mean. So the cubic equation will be 1x to the third, 1x to the second, 5x, and negative 36. Okay, so this time to get the answers to the cubic equation, first of all, a cubic equation will always have a real part. The real part will be, in this case, the first answer. The second answer will be this. The third answer will be that. I can tell already that this cubic equation has imaginary solutions to it, imaginary parts to the solutions. So this is the real part, and these are the real part of the second solution, and this is the imaginary part, the real part of the third solution, and the imaginary part. All right. The cubic equations do have a discriminant. It doesn't mean the same as a quadratic equation. The discriminant in the quadratic equation is very useful because it helps you determine whether there are imaginary values or not. And of course, the y-intercept would be this number. You could also go ahead and evaluate the second derivative of the cubic equation that I put in. Also, I could evaluate the, this was the first derivative, and this is, of course, the second derivative of that equation. Like in other cases, like quadratic and quadratic equation, I can go ahead and evaluate numbers, different values, and create a table of values. See what I mean? Which is very nice to have. You could also confirm that this imaginary solution is indeed a 0 by evaluating it in the imaginary numbers evaluator. So I'm gonna press the real part, and I am gonna store it on A, right there on A. The imaginary part, I'm gonna go here and store it on number B. So the imaginary solution is already stored in here, saved. So these two buttons will give me the answers, the imaginary part, the real part, and the imaginary part to the solution. You can indeed confirm that this is a 0. It rounds up to 0 when you, it's just infinitely. So I just wanted to illustrate that SciPro Math can also solve cubic equations. Thank you for getting to this part of the video. I'm going to go back to the original screen and reset the solution to erase everything. What can I say? Thank you for getting to the very end of this video. Enjoy life, enjoy math. Have a good day, rest of the day. Take care. Thank you.